Hi everyone, I am Irfan Khan and you are watching my YouTube channel The Forex Nexus. In this video we will explain about the MHV or MLV confusion, where the market is losing its volume and where it will be formed. So mostly the group member are asking about the MLV points and where to take our entry on MLV points and how it will form. So basically MLV is the point where the market losing its volume. Before MLV we will get an extreme there. After the extreme we will wait for the MLV point where the market make MLV, and then we will take entry. Before going to the further lessons, if you are new to our channel, please must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get notification for further lessons. So this is H4 re-entry on gold time frame. Before H4 taking a re-entry on H4 time frame, we will look to H1 here. Okay, on H1 we didn't got extreme yet. I took this entry on a little bit earlier, but I'm okay with it. You need to wait for the extreme here to make extreme on H1 time frame. Then on M15 we got extreme here. Okay, and after the extreme the market will make MHV. Now MLV, market losing volume. Now we will discuss about the MLV, that how MLV is forming. Okay, there are four types of MLV. First of all, the market will make extreme. Suppose this is a Bollinger band, the market will make extreme here, so this point will be extreme. Now the market will drop back to the MA 510 low, TP wajib here, then it will go upside and then it will drop, where the Bollinger band will give us indication about the MLV's market losing volume. It will be curved like this. If it's expanding, then we will not take a trade here. If it's curved, it means the stoppage occurs and we can take our trade here. Okay, so this is the first scenario, double top on extreme. Also we can draw a line on extreme top zone and the market can test it, but we will make sure that the Bollinger band must be curved here, right? So this is the first type of extreme and MLV point. Now here we will the second type. Let me show you on live chart. Let's find out. This is extreme form here. At the same zone we got MLV here. Here we got the MLV. At this point we got the MLV point. Here we got the extreme, and when the Bollinger band curve we got the MLV. Because at this point you can see here why I'm not suggesting that don't take trade on extreme zones. Always take a trade on This is extreme zone, and you can see here the Bollinger Band is still expanding, but at this point we got stoppage, right? And this is our MLV point. Market lost at volume here, so we can take a trade here at this point, or after here on shorter time frame we can identify the re-entry on after CSAK on M15. But what's our safe stop loss? This is our aggressive stop loss, right? Include your spread here. It will be here like this, and the safe stop loss is here above the Bollinger Band, but calculated on H4, because this if it's H4 re-entry, so keep stop loss above the MA510 high. Now this is the first type of the MLV point. It's just on the kill zone of the market. Okay, this is the kill zone of the market parallel to extreme point. Now the second type is you can see here gold start melting, it's dropping here. Now we will make another example of the MLV. This is Bollinger Band. Okay, the market will make extreme here, then it will make CSAK, then it will retest the MA510 high, and then it will drop extreme, and this will be MLV, but depending on Bollinger Band, because stoppage will be can be easily identify on the through Bollinger Band. With the help of Bollinger Band we can identify it. Okay, so this is second type of the MLV point. First this was. Now here we can get extreme, TP wajib, then MLV, then CSD, then MLV again. It means a triple top of the this is a pattern, triple top, we call it triple top. You also know in price action strategy, mostly people, traders are taking trade on this point. So this is a triple top, extreme, MLV. Here we got the third one, double top, extreme plus MLV, extreme plus MLV. After the CSD or CSAK, then the market went for the re-entry at MA510 low. Okay, now sometimes the market make head and shoulder pattern. Okay, here we got the CSAK, then the market move up, got rejection from but the Bollinger Band is still expanding here, but at this point it start curving. After the sometime it's make a CST here. Okay, CST here, and on the second shoulder, this is head. Okay, left shoulder, and this one is the right one. And the after CST MA510 high retest, identify on Bollinger Band and take a trade here. So these are the types of the MLV points. Sometimes the market make extreme, then did higher, then high, breaking this zone, and we got stoppage here, and then it dropped. So remember, keep focus on observing the Bollinger Band always. This is the basic concept of Bbma, right? With this strategy you can make a lot of good pips, you can catch a good pips. Remember this one, because this strategy is the perfect one, perfect strategy You can trade any pair like crypto. Remember, you can scalp with Bbma, you can make intraday trades with Bbma, you can make swings with Bbma. Swings. Let me show you how position traders do that. Extreme on monthly time frame, MLV on monthly time frame. So now the first TP is here, 2000 pips on MA510 low, then lower band is 3000 pips. So this is the swing trade. Remember, swing trade, how the position traders doing that. See here, extreme plus MLV then drop. See here, extreme plus MLV then drop. So traders, you can do anything, remember, with Bbma, the powerful strategy. Today we are looking for the also we have the re-entry on MA510 low after the momentum, but on daily time frame it's also rejecting the MA510, rejecting from the lower band. On H4 we got re-entry on H4 time frame, we got extreme here. So after the MLV, when we got MLV, we will close our trade and then we will look for a buy confirmation, because on weekly it's a re-entry buy. Okay, so this is the MLV conclusion. Mostly students are asking about the MLV. You can join our Telegram group where we are sharing our analysis on daily basis, weekly outlook for the market, also daily, and the we are sharing H4 re-entries on the in our Telegram group. Thank you for watching the video, and please must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get notification for further lessons. Thank you.